How to make an appointment at DIMAS. If you want to work or live in Aruba, you will need to apply for a permit. The DIMAS is the organization which regulates and handles work permits, extension of tourist stay, and permits for longer duration. Before applying for a permit at DIMAS, there are certain steps you need to take. Step 1. Decide the motivation for obtaining a permit. There are different reasons why foreigners need a permit to work or stay in Aruba. If you are from Dutch nationality, there are exceptions that will make obtaining a permit a lot easier. A tourist visa allows entry into Aruba for a maximum of 30 days, with possible extensions of your stay to a maximum of 180 days. A tourist visa does not allow you to work. There are different reasons for obtaining a permit that allows you to work and live in Aruba, such as marriage, playing sports in a top-level team, investing in a Aruban company or startup, or studying at an Aruban university. Step 2. Visit www.dimasaruba.aw for your checklist. Find the general and specific checklist on www.dimasaruba.aw and collect all the needed documents for your application at DIMAS. Step 3. Pay as you visit the Aruban tax office. Create your personal dossier and pay your fees at the tax office. Be sure to choose the right application type, since every application is handled in a different process with different fees. Step 4. If you want to work in Aruba, visit the Departamento Progreso Laboral, the work office. If your job is unique and there are not many other Aruban applicants, you will receive a stamp from the DPL stating that there is no objection to you working on our beautiful island in your profession. Step 5. Visit the medical office. A medical test is mandatory to allow you to work in Aruba. You can do the medical test at an Aruban doctor of your choice. You can check www.overhide.aw to find an Aruban doctor. Step 6. When your personal file is complete, visit www.dimasaruba.aw and make an appointment. We will be able to schedule your appointment within 3 to 4 weeks. If your personal file is complete, we can make sure you receive your permit within 12 weeks. Step 7. Visit us at DIMAS Pardon Bastra at 11. You will receive an email stating that your permit is ready or that it has been denied. At the DIMAS you can collect your decision from one of our distribution desks. If your petition has been denied, you have the possibility to appeal this decision. We will be ready to assist you.